everyone, my name is Avneeta Sanjay Pawar and today's Minderman exhibition topic is career in insurance. Introduction. Insurance is a contract represented by a policy in which an individual or entity receives financial protection or reimbursement against losses from an insurance company. The company pools clients' risks to make payments and more affordable for the insured. There are three types of insurance in life. There are health insurance, life insurance, and accident insurance. Why we need insurance? Insurance plans will help you to pay your medical emergencies, hospitalization, illness, and treatment, and medical care required in the future.
Hello everyone, I'm Durga Oak studying in 6th G. I'm going to talk about careers in filmmaking. Story writing is the first step of filmmaking. A writer writes a story which is fictional or based on a real incidents. Screenplay is a story's transformation, as in what would a film look like. It is a scene-by-scene division of a story on paper. Dialogue writing is a very important aspect of film or a TV program. A dialogue writer writes a conversation among the characters of a film based on the story and screenplay. A director is the captain of the ship. He visualizes the screenplay while guiding the film crew and actors in the fulfillment of his vision. Cinematography is the art of photography or visual storytelling in a motion picture or television show. It comprises of all on-screen visual elements. Art direction is a department which creates sets, ambience or location for a story of a film or a television program. You must have seen a lot of films with good sets. These sets are made by the art director. Actors are the people who adapt themselves to the character and enact the story as per the director's vision. A playback singer is a singer whose singing is pre-recorded for the use in films. The song is picturized on actors. Choreographers create original dances for song or musical theme in a film or a TV program. A costume designer is a person who designs costumes for film, stage production or television show as per the characterization in the story. A makeup artist is a person who applies makeup and prosthetics on actors as per their characters. Production is a very important part of filmmaking. A production house provides finance for the film. A film cannot go on floors without a production house. Film editing is both creative and technical part of a post-production process. A film editor creates the final product with the help of camera footage, dialogues, sound effects and visual effects. Some of the important careers in filmmaking which I mentioned. There are many other careers in filmmaking. Some of them are creative and some of them are technical. We can think of taking them as a career as we grow up. Thank you.
My name is Gia Fernandez from 6th G. My topic today is vistas of career. So, what will we learn about? We will learn about what is rainwater harvesting, how does rain come, why rainwater harvesting, types of rainwater harvesting, why is rainwater harvesting important in the future. What is rainwater harvesting? Rainwater harvesting is a simple method by which rainfall is collected for future use. This collected water can be used for many things, even for drinking purposes, as rainwater is the purest form of naturally occurring water on earth. How does rain come? Rain comes when the water from sea, rivers, lakes, ponds, etc. gets evaporated and condenses and comes down in the form of rain. The process by which water changes from one form to another in nature is called the water cycle. Why rainwater harvesting? In many places across the earth, there are many people that do not have sufficient water. So rainwater harvesting is a help for them. Types of rainwater harvesting. There are 7 types of rainwater harvesting. Water butt, the most basic, direct pumped. 2 types. mudslide and suction. Indirect pump. This type of rainwater harvesting system doesn't rely on gravity to supply on water to the outlets. Indirect gravity. This system ensures water is supplied to outlets by gravity alone. Gravity only. Such systems do not demand pumps, hence involve no energy use. Retention ground. Retention ponds are used to collect surface runoff water and improve the quality of water by natural processes like sedimentation. In-ground storage. Underground storage tanks are very popular in areas where the majority of rainfall occurs in one single season. Why is rainwater harvesting important for the future? Rainwater harvesting is important for future because it is the process of collecting water from rain for other uses so it can maintain the rain during rainfall and give continuous flow of water during dry season. Thank you for investing your time and hearing my PPT.
Good afternoon. My name is Jia Matre. I am from class 6G telling you all about brain specialist. You can think of a neurologist as a brain doctor all through everything in your body that makes up your nervous system. From your brain to your nerve and your ganglion falls under the area of expertise. Neurologists are specially trained to diagnose and treat disorders ranging from concussions of migraines to stroke. The word neurologist comes from neurology and its Greek roots neuro, nerves, and logy. Second is the blood vessels. The brain receives blood from two sources and internal carotid arteries, which arise at the point in the neck where the common carotid arteries purificate and the vertebral arteries. The internal carotid arteries branch from two major cerebral arteries, the anterior and the middle cerebral arteries. Third, we have a spinal cord, a column of nerve tissue that makes runs from the base of skull down the certain of the back. It is covered by the three thin layers of protective tissue called membranes. The spinal cord and the membranes are surrounded by vertebrae. The spinal cords and the brain makes up the central nervous system. Thank you.
Cybersecurity Specialist Nirman Exhibition by Kirti Shinde 6G. Now introduction. Cybersecurity is a dynamic field attracting people from all different kinds of work backgrounds. That means within the broad field of cybersecurity, there is an opportunity to differentiate yourself by drawing on your skill set from prior jobs such as information technology, administration, or accounting. Now, what is the job? One of the primary responsibilities of a cybersecurity specialist is to keep tabs on the system employed by their organization and report any issues to management. They are also responsible for anticipating future threats and advising on how to deal with them. Now, what cybersecurity specialists can do? Cybersecurity specialists create and implement security audits across computer hardware and software systems. They make sure that the systems perform the way they are supposed to and that they are safe from any kind of attack. Reason to choose cybersecurity as a career. First, the current workload has forced security teams to quickly scale up and out. Opportunity is there for professionals willing to challenge themselves to take it. Second, the cybersecurity roles rank among the most difficult to fill in the enterprise, with the talent gap in this field expected to reach 1.8 million jobs by 2022. How to become a cybersecurity specialist? You need to earn a bachelor's degree to a computer science or information technology or cybersecurity. Second, you need to pursue an entry-level role as a security administrator or system administrator or network engineer. You need to master specialized ethical hacking skills with training and certificates. The skills needed to become a cybersecurity specialist. First, in-depth knowledge of computer operating systems, hardware and software.
first class problem solving skills, a strong ability to work well under pressure. Now we have the salary of cybersecurity specialist. First, network security engineer. Their salary is 4 to 8 lakhs per year. Cybersecurity analyst. Their salary is 5 to 6 lakhs per year. Security architect. Their salary is 17 to 22 lakhs per year. And cybersecurity manager. Their salary is 12 lakhs to 15 lakhs per year. Thank you.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. I am Maitri Joshi from class 6, Division D, roll number 7. My Nirmal project is based on art, culture and entertainment. Art, culture and entertainment fields. First, hotel management. Second, fashion designing. Third, teacher. Fourth, journalist. Fifth, event management. Sixth, graphic design. Hotel management. Diploma in hotel management. 1 year course after 10th or 12th with minimum 50 marks. Entrance exam. AIMA, UGAT, AIHMCT, WAT, BUP, CET, DET, HNCT. Subjects: Diploma in Front Office, Diploma in Food, Diploma in Bakery, Diploma in Housekeeping. Salary 10,000 or 12,000. Undergraduated Hotel Management. Undergraduated Hotel Management 3 years course after 12th. Third, postgraduated hotel management. Postgraduated hotel management after undergraduated hotel management 2 years course. Subjects: MBA in hotel, MBA in hospitality, MBA in hotel management. Salary 60,000. Job: chef, sous chef, executive chef, general manager, front office manager, food and beverage manager, catering manager, event manager, etc. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Nasha Parikh from 6G and today I will show you my Nirmal project which is on vistas of career in media. Media is a vast field that includes radio, television, print, etc. I have chosen journalism. Let us see what is journalism. Journalism is to collect and write news stories for newspapers, magazines, radio, television or online news sites. Now since we know what is journalism, we will see what is the role of a journalist. The role of a journalist is to gather information on a particular situation or an issue. So to gather the information, journalists try to answer the 5 W's. They are what, why, who, where and when. Let us see the 5 categories of journalism: investigative, feature writing, reviews, columns and news. These are the few types of journalists on the screen. Now we will see how to become a journalist. To become a journalist, one needs to study Bachelor of Journalism and Mass Communication (BJMC) to become a journalist. If one wants to study further, they can study Masters of Journalism and Mass Communication (MJMC). These are the top institutes in India. These are the skills required to be a good journalist. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. My name is Netri Singh from class 6T, and I am here to present the model of the airplane. Airplanes have been important to society because it might be a way of transportation. Wars have been held with the help of airplanes, trading has been done using the airplanes, communication has been connected through the flight of airplanes. You can travel pretty much anywhere relaxed. Airplanes are also a comfortable way of transportation of most people. Thank you.
Hello teachers, hello friends. My name is Nishka. I study in Eldalme High School in 6th. My theme of Nirman is Vistas of Career and my topic is Space Scientist. So first we are going to know what is a scientist. A scientist is a person who does scientific research to advance the knowledge in an area of interest. Some scientists that we know are Albert Einstein, Isaac Newton, Ada Lovelace, etc. There are many types of scientists like developer scientist, communicator scientist, space scientist, investigator scientist, etc. I want to become a space scientist. So what is a space scientist? Yes, you guessed it. A space scientist is a person who does research of the universe. There are two types of space scientists, physicists and astronomers. Now, physicists focus on the theoretic area of the field and laboratory equipment, and on the other hand, astronomers learn and research more about planets, stars, galaxies, etc. I want to be an astronomer because I love to explore and learn new about universe. So now we come to my project. I have made a space station. You can see. So what is a space station? A space station is a place from where the satellites and the rockets are launched. So here I have made a satellite antenna. I've made this project by cardboard, chart paper, sketch pen, a pearl, some small sticks, a glittery paper, and different colors of paint, etc. Hope you enjoyed my Nirman project. Thank you.
Hello teachers and friends, my name is Yuka and today I am going to show my PPT that I made for my Nirman project. The stars of career. The stars of career is a deliberate process of knowing who you are so that you can be sure of where you want to go or what you want to be at some definite point in the future. My stars of career is to be a professor. What is a professor? Professor is an academic rank at universities and other post-secondary education and research institutions in most countries. Literally, professor derives from Latin as a person who professes. Professors are usually experts in their field and teachers of the highest ranks. Why I want to be a professor? I want to be a professor because it is my passion. Even though I do not like to study, I keep going as a teacher at my house. It just feels so nice to be a teacher because it gives us the confidence to speak in front of the crowd. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Shivangi Patel from class 6G. Today I am going to present my Nirman project on civil service. After class 12, we can graduate in any field like engineering, medical, commerce, etc. But whatever stream you come from, one service is always ready to welcome you, and that is Indian Civil Services, that is jobs at central and state government levels. Every year, Union Public Service Commissions conduct an exam called Civil Services Examination for the recruitment process. This is a 3-level examination. Preliminary, which is 2 papers, general studies and aptitude test. Mains has 9 papers, out of which 2 are qualifying papers, and the third is interview. It is one of the toughest examinations in India with success rate of just 0.158%. Every year, candidates apply a number of lakhs, out of which few hundreds are selected. In year 2020, 10,40,060 candidates applied for the exam, out of which 4,82,770 appeared due to COVID scenario. Finally, 761 candidates were selected, 545 men and 216 women. This is the list of 24 services which one can get on qualifying with several services examination. Higher the rank, the higher the post you are selected for. There are 3 groups of services: All India Services, Group A Services and Group D Services. All India Services include IAS, IPS and IFS. Group A Services include Indian Foreign Services, Indian Audit and Accounts Service, Indian Civil Accounts Service and 13 others. Group B Services include Armed Forces Headquarters Services, Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Pondicherry Services. Indian Administrative Services. Out of all the services, the dream of aspirants has always been IAS. IAS are the part of permanent bureaucracy of the nation. It gives you an opportunity to become a part of executives of the Government of India. It provides opportunity to work at the executive level and also allow you to have say in decision-making process of various policies of Government of India. This job is for you if you really have a vision for the government's working pattern. Most dream job yet hardest to achieve, need constant determination and hard work to achieve it. Shubham Kumar is the first rank holder for the 2020 UPSC examination. He is from Bihar and a graduate from IIT Bombay. In 2019 exam he was selected for IDS but he was not satisfied. So in 2020 he again gave the exam and got first rank with 52.04%. Jagrati Awasthi is the second rank holder for the 2020 UPSC examination. She is from Bhopal and worked in BHEL, but she left her job to pursue the dream of IAS. She cracked the exam in second attempt with 51.95%. The above case studies clearly shows that this job is for anyone who dreams for it, but it needs constant hard work and determination to achieve it. Thank you.
Welcome to Vistas of Career. Novel Roles in the Food Industry, a project made by Tanisha Pillai.
After days of hard work, we can only relax by enjoying a hearty meal out at the end of the day. Thus, a food industry will never lose its significance even when compared to the dominant medical or engineering fields.
Food stylists. Many fine dining restaurants emphasize on perfect presentation of the dishes along with the taste. Even before tasting the food, it is the appearance that gives the first impression. Food stylists generally focus on aesthetic appeal of food items.
Stylists keep creating menu items and arrange them in a manner that increases the food value in the eyes of the customer. They are busy inventing new designs and jazzing up the food so that they are appreciated by both adults and children. High culinary skills and designing and decorating are required for this. Food coaches integrate natural therapies into medical practice, focusing on healthy food and supplements. Food coach is someone who has knowledge of food, nutrition and life coaching so that they can help the clients by guiding them to set and achieve their goals and give them a structure to follow. Herbal supplements and wellness regimens like exercise and yoga are also included in the consultation.
Hello everyone, I am Unmesha Shah from 6th G. My roll number is 14 and my topic is Vistas of Career. As we all know that choosing a career is a huge problem and there are lots of career options, and some of the career options are esports, engineering, and influence. Today I am going to talk about engineering. There are various types of engineering: biochemical engineering and civil engineering. Today I am going to talk about robotic engineering, which has a huge scope, and we know that robots will replace humans. We are surrounded by humans in future. We will have workers as robots, maids as robots, and cook as robots. In factories there will be robots. So I have decided to talk about it. We need lots of practice, dedication, and efforts because it is a difficult course of engineering.
Respected ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. I'm Vidya Trivedi from class 6G, roll number 50, and my today's topic is jewelry factory. Goldsmith plays a very important role in our day-to-day life, and I know that you all have jewelry at your homes. They are very pretty and beautiful. But do you know where these beautiful pieces are made? Yes, they are made in the jewelry factory, and now I will take you in the detail. POP bags are first transferred in the flask and are placed inside the funnel machine. The melting point of gold is 900 to 950 degrees Celsius. Now the melted POP is now transferred in the casting machine, which reaches till 1050 degrees Celsius, from which the wax tree is being prepared along with the casted pieces. Finishing tools such as filers, polishers, etc. are placed on this bench and are used to remove the dust. Weighing scale is used to weigh the products. Materials such as gold and metals are used, and these are the finished products. It is very easy to explain it, but it is very hard to make it. It takes minimum 15 days to prepare a single product. So come and buy my products again. Thank you.
Project Vistas of Career. I am Aditya Surte from class 6. I have a great passion for working in the aviation sector, and therefore I have decided to become a pilot. I wanted to become a pilot because it made me feel adventurous. An aircraft pilot or aviator is a person who controls the flight of an aircraft by operating its directional flight controls. Why I choose pilot as dream career? I choose to become a pilot as my ambition in life. Desire to see the whole world. Ready to accept challenges in life. The job of a pilot is not as easy as it seems. It is full of challenges and risks. Decision-making capability. There are many situations where a pilot has to make quick decisions. Great desire to fly an aircraft. How to become a pilot? The minimum age limit 17 years for required to become a pilot. Education required high school diploma or graduation with valid passport. Take an introductory training, apply for medical certificate, get student pilot license, get private pilot license, and at the last, commercial pilot license, and pass the examination. Forecast. Requirement of pilots in near future. Despite the current slump in the domestic aviation market, India will require up to 10,000 new pilots by 2030. It predicts domestic passenger service will grow about 5% each year, so pilots are needed. By 2030, there could be a pilot shortage of 60,000. Thank you.
Hi Akshat, what are you doing? Oh hey there, well I was just working on an app. What app? Oh, it's just an app in which you can play tic-tac-toe with your friends and family. Wow, seems interesting. But how do you make it? I have used computer vision engineering, but it is actually quite easy. How? Teach me. Let me take you to the world of computers. So, when we talk about computer vision engineering, the first question that comes to mind is what is it? So, computer vision engineering lies at the intersection of artificial intelligence and machine learning. A computer vision engineer's purpose is to help computers see through the use of deep machine learning and mathematical architectures in code. So, the skill set of a computer vision engineer is develop image analysis algorithms, develop deep learning architectures to solve problems, design and create platforms for image processing and visualization, use knowledge of computer vision libraries, understand data flow programming. What do all of these have in common? Coding. So here are some examples of the use of computer vision engineering. Here's a project I made right from scratch. So here you can just enter the game ID first. I have a tic-tac-toe game. First you have to enter the ID. For example, I have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you have to click on proceed. Now you will come to the interface. Now you can start playing. Let me just end this game. As you can see here, X has won. Now I'm going to show you the coding that I have done in this. So here is the main UI that I have used here, the design, and here is the coding. This is the coding of screen 2, and this is of screen 1. Let it just load. So here I have used a database and in which all the information is stored. As you can see, I have done all these coding right from scratch. I hope you understood what computer vision engineering is. Thank you.
Good afternoon, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Arjun Ramesh Sharma. I'm from 6G and the topic for my Nirman exhibition will be digital marketing in future. So, what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the component of marketing that uses internet and online based digital technologies such as desktop computers, mobile phones and other digital media and platforms to promote products and services. Its development during the 1990s and 2000s changed the way brands and businesses use technology for marketing. As digital platforms became increasingly incorporated into marketing plans and everyday life, and as people increasingly use digital devices instead of visiting physical shops. This is the graph of number of online shoppers in India. By 2022, there will be probably 338 million online shoppers in India. Brand awareness. Brand awareness as one of the fundamental dimensions of brand equity is often considered to be a prerequisite of consumers' buying decision, as it represents the main factor for including a brand in the consideration set. Brand awareness can also influence consumers' perceived risk assessment and the confidence in the purchase decision due to familiarity with the brand and its characteristics. Thank you.
Good morning, all teachers and my dear friends. Today, me, Atal Sringarpure, will tell you about my Nirman exhibition project, which is the Vista of Career. And my desired career is of astronomers. To choose the right career, one has to have following interest, a passion, and other important skills. Career opportunities. artificial intelligence, genetic technician, counselor, social media management, wildlife preservation, video game designer, drone delivery, aquaponics, Paralympic expert are few famous new generation career opportunities. Basically, a career opportunity refers to a particular job that may or may not be a stepping stone for huge ambitions. Career counseling helps the people understand their plans for the future jobs. My desired ambition is related to science. The main science career comes to an answer of scientist. Basically, a scientist is a person who gathers information and uses the information and proof to seek new information. They seek the understanding of, for instance, the elements of the universe. The famous scientists or great scientists like Albert Einstein, the person who discovered photoelectrical effects, Isaac Newton who discovered gravitational force, Nikola Tesla who created remote control which uses over many electronic devices, and Tesla called, and other great inventions. There are other major famous scientists like Galileo Galilei, Charles Darwin, Ada Lovelace, Pythagoras, etc. There are many types of scientists, but there are more than 50 types of scientists: physicists, cardiologists, botanists, meteorologists, oceanographers, chemists, astronomers are few of the most known ones. My topic comes now: astronomy. Astronomy is the study of everything in the universe beyond Earth's atmosphere. There are many types of astronomy like astrobiology, astronomy, astrophysics, astrostatistics, cosmology, data science, exoplanets, etc. Astronomers usually specialize in one or more fields or subfields of astronomy, including planetary astronomers, stellar astronomers, solar astronomers, and galactic astronomers. The latest news I found after researching a lot is that astronomers found a planet rich with iron in an entire different solar system far away from the Earth, which has information which tells about the formation of the planet, which is our solar system and is the nearest to the Sun, Mercury. The planet is estimated to exist and is around 31 light years away from us. Thank you for watching
Hello everyone, my name is Daksh Dongre from 6G. For this year's Filman exhibition, our theme is Vistas of Career and my topic is Innovations and Latest Career Opportunities in Agriculture Sector. India is an agriculture-based country, so there are many new and innovative ways of farming evolved over the years and accordingly innovative and exciting career opportunities as well. The latest and innovative careers in agriculture sector are agricultural engineering, agricultural economics, soil and plant scientist, farm manager, etc. Agricultural engineering. Agricultural engineering, also known as agricultural and biosystems engineering, is the field of study and application of engineering science and designs principles for agriculture purposes, combining the various disciplines of mechanical, civil, electrical, food science, environmental, software, and chemical engineering to improve the efficiency of farms. Agricultural economist. Agricultural economics is a branch of economics that specifically deals with land usage. It focused on maximizing the crop yield while maintaining a good soil ecosystem. Farm manager. Farm managers supervise staff, monitor crops and animals, and handle various administrative tasks. They prepare budgets, purchase supplies, maintain relationships with vendors and clients, and ensure maximum profitability. Soil and plant scientist. Soil scientists examine the composition of soil, how it affects plant or crop growth, and how different soil treatments affect crop productivity. Plant scientists develop improvements to crop yields and ways to enhance plant production, including controlling weeds and pests. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Dhruv Joshi and I am from Standard 6G. Nirman Exhibition 2021, and this time our topic is Vista of Careers. Career in Commerce. In commerce there are many streams, and out of them some of the well-known streams are Chartered Accountant, Company Secretary, Cost Accountant and MBA. Today I am going to talk about Management Consulting. Management Consulting. Management Consulting is the practice of helping organizations to improve their performance. Organizations take services of management consultants for a number of reasons, including external advices and access to consultant specialized expertise. Basic qualifications and skills of a management consultant. Degree or diploma from any good management institution. Understanding of business environment and commercial awareness. Few points about management consultant. The job of a management consultant is to analyze what an organization does and try to maximize its efficiency in different areas. They work with various industries such as healthcare and design consulting. The job of a management consultant is a high caliber job, so its salary in India is highly lucrative. Job description of a management consultant. Define the problem concisely and provide the proposed solution. Consolidate the findings from the analysis and present solution to the client. Few points about why become a management consultant. Management consulting can be an extremely rewarding career in terms of both job satisfaction and remuneration. Competitive industry with high level of intelligent and smart person. Ample opportunities in industry. After becoming consultant, one can have respect in society and better life. Hope you got the better knowledge about career in management consultancy. Thank you very much.
Good evening everyone. I am Jaining Goti from 6A and I am going to say about a new technique of farming. It is called hydroponics. Now you all would wonder, what is hydroponics? Hydroponics is a type of agriculture that doesn't need soil to grow plants. It can also grow in least amount of water to the vast amount of water. It also has many advantages, like it requires less space than the plants growing in soil. It requires less labor. It produces high quality of food and so on. Now let me show you a small PPT on hydroponics. Short PPT on hydroponics. A short explanation of hydroponics. There is a nutrient solution below, and which is there is a nutrient solution below, which is brought into the pipe by a pump. This pump takes the water to takes the solution to the pipe, and this roots absorb it. The water is again again comes down into the solution, and this cycle carries on. End product of hydroponics. As I told you that the hydroponics produces high quality of food. This is an example of it. Thank you.
Hey everyone, my name is Krish Gupta. I am from 6th G. My topic for today is Vistas of Career. Career is the most important part of one's life. To put bread on your dining table, to gain respect from the society, and for your self-satisfaction, a good career is a must. In order to choose a good career, we need to follow the following. First, passion. Passion is an important criterion to consider before choosing a career path. Everyone should follow their passion and choose a career accordingly. Second, stability. Before choosing a particular career path, the stability as well as the salary factors should be taken into account. These factors should be followed in order to lead a happy and content life. Thank you.
Hello friends, I'm Nishal. In today's world, there are lots of career options that are very interesting and creative. In Vistas of Career, I found logo designing is very interesting. One of the most valuable aspects of pursuing a career in design is to create our own path because there is no limit to the ideas you develop. So let us take a look on more information about logo design. A logo is a symbol or other small design adopted by an organization to identify its products, uniforms, vehicles, etc. These are some logos of famous brands like McDonald's, LG, BMW, Nike, etc. So let's see what is logo designing. Logo designing is all about creating the perfect visual brand mark for a company. Depending on the type, a logo usually consists of a symbol or brand mark and a logo type along with a tagline. These are the 7 basic steps of logo designing process. So let's have a look on a short clip of logo designing. These skills every logo designer needs to have to be successful.
Hello friends, my name is Patril and today I am going to tell you some things about drifting. That is my favorite career. What is drifting? Drifting is a driving technique where the driver initially oversteers with loss of traction while maintaining control and driving the car through the entirety of a combat. The technique causes the rear slip angle to exceed the front slip angle to such an extent that often the front wheels are pointing in the opposite direction to the turn. That example, car is turning left, wheels are pointed right or vice versa, also known as opposite lock or counter steering. Drifting is traditionally done by clutch kicking, where the clutch is rapidly disengaged and re-engaged with the intention of upsetting the grip of the rear wheels, then intentionally oversteering and counter-steering. How to become a drifter? First, give it a try. Some drifters agents, they put you in a competition car with expert tuition. When drifting first arrived on the scene, there was very little infrastructure in place to have a go and work out whether you actually enjoyed it or not. Second, find yourself a drift car. Finding the right drift car is essential. Third, prepare it to drift. Keeping a behind held firmly in one place is pretty important when drifting. Safety first kids, so kit yourself with a helmet and good set of race gloves. A full suit and race boots is probably overkill at this point, but it never hurts to be prepared as you'll need them eventually, and they'll help protect you if there is a serious fire. 4. Get to a practice day. Stock up on spare part worn tires and get down to a local practice day with plenty of room to make mistakes and if possible multiple track configurations. 5. Improve what needs improving. Focus on the areas that need fixing and improving first. Again, seat time is king. Practice, practice, practice. Consistency is the name of the game. Hit up every single drift practice day you can. Check the regs. Getting your car up to spec is more than just adding stickers and a body kit. Get licensed. Yes, you do need a license to drift. Fail to plan and you plan to fail. Drift repairs can quickly add up. Always plan ahead and budget. 10. Everyone loves free stuff, right? First comes to fame, then comes the money. Or more often than not, never at all. If a brand does support you, then make sure that you stick to your promises or homework deliver on them. Thank you.
Teachers
my dear friends. My name is Pawan Pedenti and I belong to grade 6G. As the part of Nirmal exhibition, Vistas of Career, I am going to present innovations in naval architecture. The scope is different from the common fields, yet one-time measured vistas of engineering profession with a promising future. Through the years, there have been great innovations in the field of ship design and naval architecture. Mentioned here is the one such wonder design that has taken the naval architecture to a new heights of innovations and execution. The world-class and Ulstein reverse boat. These vessels are like the paper boats left to float upside down. These vessels have a large water line as compared to other vessels with the same length having a conventional upright bow. It means that these vessels have a hull speed and greatly reduce the flare at the fore end. And the results are amazingly welcome and cut down the consumption of fuel and less backflow happens after the direct impact. Having maneuverable in high and rough seas. Thank you.
As using a career. You must be thinking, what is a career? Career is an occupation undertaken for a significant period of a person's life and with opportunity of progress. Why they are using drone technology as a career? You must be thinking, what is a drone? A drone is a remote control flying object possessing certain capability like capturing images, recording videos, delivering objects, etc. In 2009, drone technology had came to India. Some of the students are making drone to help people who need things but cannot step out of the house because of the pandemic. About drone technology. In August, Ministry of Civil Aviation notified an updated rules of drone, replacing the high altitude unnamed aircraft system USA. Rules in 2021 released on March 12. This year, with these liberalized drone rules, our aim is to make India a global drone hub by 2030. Importance and uses of drone technology. Aerial photography for journalism and film, express, shipping and delivery, thermal sensor drones for search or rescue operations, gathering information or supplying essentials for disaster management. Thank you.
Hello friends and respected teachers, I am Rutajit Chakrabarti from class 6G from NL Dalmia High School. Today I am going to share my dream career with all of you. Rocket scientist. Why I have chosen the career of rocket scientist? I have a tremendous interest in rocket science and astrophysics. I love to explore space, galaxies, constellations, planets, stars, exoplanets, etc. Even I love to learn various designs of rockets, SSTOs, planes, etc. So, I have chosen rocket scientist as my career so I can get all fields of my interests. What does a rocket scientist do? Rocket scientists are aerospace engineers who specialize in the design and manufacturing of the aircraft. They work with laws of physics to make different types of SSTOs, rockets, etc., which fly within or above the Earth's atmosphere. What I have to study for getting a chance in ISRO? My dream is to pursue my research in ISRO. ISRO is the National Space Agency of India for the purpose of all space-based applications like reconnaissance and communications and doing research. We have to graduate in mechanical engineering. Then we have to pursue specialization on aerospace engineering. Pros and cons of being a rocket scientist. Pros. Space exploration can provide humanity with more resources. We may find extraterrestrial planets to colonize. Humans are very curious and need to explore. Cons. Space research causes significant air pollution. It is time consuming. One mistake can wipe out a whole city or a larger amount than that. Thank you.
Warm welcome to Dr. Seema Saini ma'am, Annie ma'am, Savita ma'am and to all my teachers and dear friends. Today I am going to present Drip irrigation. Drip irrigation is sometimes called trickle irrigation and involves dripping water onto the soil at very low rates, 2 to 20 liters per hour, from a system of small diameter plastic pipes fitted with outlets called emitters or drippers. Water is applied close to the plant so that only part of the soil in which the roots grow is wetted, unlike surface and sprinkler irrigation, which involves wetting the whole soil profile. With drip irrigation, water applications are frequent, usually vary 1 or 2 to 3 days than other methods, and this provides a very favorable high moisture level in the soil in which plants can flourish. Thank you.
Welcome, ma'am and sir. My name is Sharvesh Karan from 6G. My topic for N1 exhibition is list of career. I want to do my career in robotics engineer, and for that I have made a working model of a drone. Here it is. Hi, this is my drone. It is now working, and for test I am taking it in and putting this in it. It's fly for this flying, but not for no minutes, only 2 for 6 seconds. Batteries are unstable, but it is moving. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Shaurya and I study in NL Dalmia High School, Standard 6, Division 3. Today I am going to present you a unique grass farming known as aquaponic fish. In this farming method, we require at least 1 acre of land, which needs to be covered by a polyhouse. We also require 3 huge tanks, which can hold gallons of water, and in these tanks we require hundreds of fishes, which need to do grooming and harvesting of fishes in these tanks. We also require 1 more tank in which we collect fish waste, and this fish waste is then decomposed and used as an organic fertilizer for plants and crops. We also, in the major portion of this farm is covered by a major water body, and this water body needs circulating nutritious water supply. We also need hundreds of floating boats which help floating plants and crops in this water body, and we can grow all types of green leafy vegetables in this farming. Now let's get into the advantages of this. So one of the biggest advantages of this farming is we don't require a large agricultural land, as this farming is done in a polyhouse. We also don't require continuous water supply, as the same water is recycled and reused in this farming method. Since the farming is done on floating boats, we also get daily production of crops, and this helps retaining customers and giving daily income to us. And this also helps poor farmers who work in this farm and getting them regular wages.
My dear friends, my name is John Bandari, and today my topic is aerospace engineering. Aerospace engineering is a branch of engineering that provides skills and knowledge to design, manufacture and maintain spacecraft, aircrafts, missile and weapon systems. Here is an overview of aerospace engineering for aspirants who wish to make a career in this field. Students need to pass class 12 with PCM subjects and then do a course in BTech Aerospace Engineering to become an aerospace engineer. A large part of aerospace engineering consists of mechanical engineering, covering a wide range of topics including computer applications, structures, mathematics, physics, drafting, electricity, robotics, aeronautics, etc. After completion, the area of opportunities for aerospace engineers are airlines, air force, defense ministry, missiles, fixed-wing aircraft, etc. Duties of an aerospace engineer include developing new technologies for use in spacecraft, aviation and defense systems, designing, assembling and testing of aircraft and aerospace products, assessing cost and feasibility of new projects proposed to be undertaken, etc. The aerospace engineers can work as following: mechanical designer, engineer, drafter, aerospace technician, mission or payload specialist, etc. So, the aerospace engineering is a good career option. Students can also work with the ISRO, NASA, HAL, NAL, DRDO, etc. Thank you.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. Today the topic is vistas of career and I have chosen doctor. First, let me ask you a question. Who comes after a god? If your answer is doctor, you are absolutely correct. As you know, doctors are very important in these times. As you can see, very serious diseases are occurring nowadays, such as coronavirus, black fungus, asthma, diabetes, etc. There are more than 138 crore population in India and only 12.5 lakhs of doctor, which are very less. In 10th, I have to pass with good marks so that I can become a doctor. In 11th, I have to choose science stream with biology so that I can become a doctor. To become a doctor, I should pass 11th and 12th with good grades with PCB, also known as physics, chemistry and biology. We should score minimum of 50 to 60% and in English a minimum of 50%. So, are you all guys ready to become a doctor?
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. I am Vikramaditya Desai from class 6G and today I will be talking about radiology as a career. A radiologist is a type of doctor who performs sonographies, X-rays, CT scans, etc. A regular radiology hospital setup looks like this.
It consists of a reception, a waiting room, a CT scan room, sonography room and an X-ray room.
Radiology has now also become one of the most appealing and rewarding specializations that one can opt for. Some reasons to opt for radiology are: with the advancement in technology, radiology has seen tremendous growth in the past decade. Another reason to opt for radiology is that it merely provides a massive range of sub-specializations if you decide to do it in the future. Thank you.
Good morning, one and my all. My name is Vyom Agarwal, studying in 6th in NL Dalmia High School. My topic for today is Vistas of Career. I choose engineering and made a solar card. What is a solar energy? Solar energy is a radiant light and heat from the sun that is harnessed using a range of technologies such as solar power to generate electricity. Solar. What is a solar car? A solar car is a solar vehicle for use on public roads or public race tracks. Solar vehicles are electric vehicles that use self-contained solar cells to power themselves from sunlight. Solar vehicles typically contains a rechargeable battery to help regulate and store the energy for the solar cells capture the kinetic energy from the vehicle during braking. Some solar cars can be plugged into external power source to supplement the power of sunlight used to be charged in the batteries. Now I'll show you the solar car I have made. This is a solar car I have made. Here is a solar panel. This is a car. Here is the circuit. Here is the battery. Here is the motor. Due to in my building there is we don't receive so much sunlight, so the solar panels are not connected to the battery, but in real it can work. Now I'll tell more about my project. Powering cars using solar energy has some great benefits. Using solar energy means fossil fuels will be used less. Solar energy is free. Solar energy doesn't cause air pollution. Solar energy will never run out. However, there are some problems. You can only get solar power during day, and there is less on cloudy days. Solar equipment is very expensive. Expensive batteries are needed to store solar energy for cars to be able to run at night. Solar cells are not efficient, and their collector area are too big for consuming cars. This is for today. This is my project about. Thank you.